Gentlemen, this video starts at the same general home screen, but this is going to be the basic tutorial for how to play virtual golf. So when you arrive to BobLink, you should see this main shot analysis home screen up on the projector. In order to play virtual golf, you will just look in the upper left-hand corner here. Just click on Courses. It should automatically go to the full list in alphabetical order of all golf courses that are offered on TRACKMAN. So go ahead and just select your golf course for the day. It will change the picture in the background here. You can confirm that it's the course that you'd like to play. Just go ahead and hit select. At this point, you can add as many players that will be playing golf. We have Dan in there. You can leave it as player 1, player 2 if you would like, or you can just highlight the player name, change it to whatever you'd like. And then the only other option that you can change here is which tee choice for the day. So we would recommend this just so that you're playing a yardage of golf course that you feel comfortable with to help add to the enjoyment. As soon as all players are added in, just go ahead and hit start game, and it'll just take a moment to load the golf course for you. As soon as TRACKMAN has loaded the course for the day, you will arrive on your virtual first tee. A couple of main areas that you can look and become familiar with on this screen here. In the lower left-hand corner, we'll have the information for the golf hole being played, uphill, downhill, and total distance. You can change the club that you are hitting. Not necessarily important for the result of the shot. TRACKMAN will just monitor your club selection and give you recommendations throughout your round. In the lower right-hand corner here, you will see an overview of the hole being played. It is always good as a reminder just to show you the shape of the hole that is in front of you, but also the important thing to become aware of is your dotted alignment line here. As you move, click and drag that line, it will change your perspective on the hole. So if for any reason you're standing on a tee and it just doesn't look quite right, I would look in the lower right-hand corner just to see where you are aimed, and just click on the white dot and drag the line to wherever is straight to your eye. And then in the upper right-hand corner, if you are playing by yourself, it will not change, but in the upper right-hand corner here, it will show the person that has the honor or is up to hit. Last little bit, if there are a couple of settings, if you need to change your tee choice for the day, if you forgot to do that on the first, when you registered the players, you can click this small 3-line box here. There's going to be some options here to show you the flyby of the hole. You can add or change players and some other menu options. But changing tees, you can just go to settings here and change a couple other options in this menu. After the completion of your round, if you wouldn't mind just helping the next member that is going to be using the TRACKMAN, we'll just ask that you exit all the way out of the round of golf and return back to the main menu. So whenever you are done or your time is up for the round, if you go ahead back to this 3-line box over here, hit that same settings button, and we would just ask that you hit exit round in the red font here, and it will ask you to confirm, and at that point, just go ahead and hit yes. Lastly, everyone, once you confirm that your round is over, it will just return you back to this virtual golf home screen. We would just ask you to click in the upper left-hand corner back to practice so that the next person sees the same general home screen that you did when you arrived. Lastly, this is just the general tutorial video. There may be a couple other concerns that might come up throughout playing your round of virtual golf. We will have contact information for Dan Waters, Nick Gonneval, Marcus Herpja in the email below. If you want to send us a message or give us a call, hopefully we can help you out if we are not physically here. We look forward to seeing everybody very soon.